everyone.
Hi everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, good afternoon, happy evening.
Here's how we start our video. So this is Ratatouille and have called vegetable soup.
Yeah, it's like a vegetable soup or ratatouille. And these are the things you will need. So we have a can of diced tomatoes, fire roasted.
And we have some garlic.
And
we have some red peppers. And we have this.
Eggplant. And then we have a jalapeno pepper.
And we have some cucumbers.
No. This is where Dad and Milo get confused. These are zucchinis. We have 2 zucchinis. A yellow pepper.
And some water.
And 2 large onions.
And these what I got.
So this one is basil.
This one.
Black pepper.
And do you know how many salt? This is salt.
Salt. And then some olive oil. So I'm gonna start chopping these up and then I'll see you guys in a few minutes. I'm going to start off by adding some olive oil. Looks like I'm adding a lot, but I'm adding about 4 tablespoons. It's about the most unhealthy part of the recipe, but it really adds to it. Just going to add it, throw everything in there. So we used about 4 cloves of garlic. And tomatoes in there. Now we're going to add about 4 tablespoons of basil. And you can use fresh basil, and then you probably would need a little bit more, but I'm going to start with about a teaspoon of salt, maybe a little bit more, and I'll taste it and see what I think. Yeah, for the cucumber.
Yep, and my feet. That's not a cucumber.
What is that?
It's zucchini.
Zucchini?
Yeah, can I have one?
Sure, you can have one.
2. Wow. 4.